Open the front cover of the printer. Press the back and cancel button at the same time. Hold them for 1-2 seconds. Release them, then immediately press the back button again. The reset menu should appear on the display of the printer. If not, repeat the operation. Select the color and yield of the toner cartridge you want to reset. K, T and R STD means black standard yield. K, T and R HC means black high yield. K, T and R S HC means black super high yield. K, T and R UHC means black ultra high yield. Same for the other colors. If you are not sure, reset them all, it's the same. Select the cartridge, reset yes. The display will read accepted. Close the cover. The reset is complete.